Now if you're anything like me and you daily a bunch of cool classic cars, like this Beamer or a Bug, you probably don't have a dead pedal. If you'll follow along with me, I'll show you how to make an OEM looking dead pedal. Fits that factory interior nice, hides away, even fits under the factory carpet pretty good. But this is the key to a comfortable road trip in a classic BMW. Alright, so I've got my template here. Now you can see I'm going to actually keep it under the carpet because I want it to be kind of an OEM look. But we're going to take this out now, lay it down flat on our metal, trace it out, and then turn this into some steel. And then we're just going to go ahead and trace that out. Go. Let's cut it out. Got the edges all filed up, got these extra tabs put on so that when I fold this edge down and this edge down, got a little extra, it'll end up landing about here, and then I can throw a weld. That'll just add a lot of rigidity to it, but let's get this bent up because it's looking good. go test it out. Woo! Woo! It's not bad looking. Does it fit in the back here? It's pretty good in the back. A couple little gaps, but nothing too horrible. Sorry, the sun's kind of the worst spot at the moment. I'm trying to block it with my body. That looks pretty good. Let's see it covered up with carpet. You know, for carpet, it wasn't designed to have a dead pedal behind it. It incorporates a dead pedal pretty freaking well. This kind of goes right on the corner of it, so you know, we'll see what we can do about that. Might end up putting that behind, and we'll see. I'll play around with it, but I'm gonna pull that back out. We'll kind of tack up some corners of it, figure out a good way to keep it fixed in the car. I think we're gonna turn out great. Well, it's not pretty, but it'll do. I definitely need better, well, I need a lot more practice welding thin stuff like this. But let's get a coat of paint on it. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna figure out how to mount it in the car first. Alright, so here's what I've come up with. Got my dead pedal here. I'm gonna get this bracket. I'm gonna weld it in, a little spot weld on top, and then a little screw through the firewall there. I'm actually gonna put a riv nut and then a bolt, but you know what I mean, same thing. Should come out pretty clean. Alright, that's definitely more welds than I need, but like I said, I want the practice because I'm not that great on this thick of material. So, this thin of material, this stuff's 22 gauge, so it's nice and stiff once you bend it all up, but it's still pretty thin. Still super thin. Let's go put it in. And there it is. The dead pedal's done. It's in kind of the perfect spot too. Just enough room, go from the clutch to the dead pedal. About even with my foot on the gas. So I'm not, you know, I'm not like got 1 foot way down here, 1 foot way up here. It's just nice and even. Easy access, nothing's getting in my way. I'm not hitting the back of the clutch. I like it. Let's see what Alyssa thinks. Alright, so I'm on my way to pick up Alyssa from work. She has no idea that I put this dead pedal in. I just told her I have a surprise for her when she gets off. So, well, let's see how she likes it. See if she can even tell it's in there. Alright, I just picked up Alyssa from work. Let's see if she can tell what it is. Alright, we'll start driving. Let me know if you'd notice anything different.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I gotta...
Yeah, we can stop on the way home.
Yeah. Alright. Is it... Am I gonna notice? Like, is it like a... I don't know what it is.
Exactly. We'll see. Hopefully you notice.
Is it like the way it drives? The way it sounds? Can I have a hint?
It's something... It's an interior feature.
An interior feature?
To make driving more comfortable. But the fact that it doesn't stand out is a good thing. That means I made it nice.
It's my dead pedal! Thanks!
Yep, how's it feel?
I knew it! It feels super good. I actually like that. That makes sense.
Is it in the right spot?
Like, it feels a little funky. Yeah, it's perfect.
Nice.
Yeah, I was like, it feels a little bit off, but I couldn't tell right away. Nice.
New
like
bump
it.
in the floor?
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, well, I had my foot on it. I just didn't realize it. Not at first.
Nice. I'm glad it works good.
I like it. Look.
Yep. Fit your boots good?
Yeah,
Nice.
super good.
All right. That's a success. All right, everyone. Well, today was a success. Alyssa's happy with her dead pedal. She's getting her work stuff out. But I had fun making that, and it was some good TIG welding practice. Oh, I'm backlit. I had fun making it. It was some good TIG welding practice, but I'm still super bad at that thin metal. I'm gonna keep practicing, find some more projects for that. I think up next we got a dead pedal for the bug, but we'll wait a few weeks for that. Find some new stuff to make videos on. I got some suspension parts sitting. I got more on the way, so stay tuned for that. You did it 3 times.
I know, that's why.
Like, comment, subscribe.